Hey everyone. If you want to set up a professional Discord welcome system in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Discord welcome system. First, create a channel called Welcome or Start Here. This is where new members will see important messages when they join. Next, set channel permissions properly. I mean, allow everyone to view it, but restrict sending messages so it stays clean. Now add a welcome bot like MEE6 or Dino. This bot will automatically send welcome messages when new members join. Open the bot dashboard and configure your welcome message. I mean, you can include greetings, rules, or important server information. Enable auto role assignment. This helps new members automatically receive roles like member or guest when they join. You can also add images or embedded messages. I mean, this makes your welcome system look more attractive and professional. Finally, test your system by joining with another account. Make sure everything works correctly and the message appears. So yeah, that's how you set up a Discord welcome system in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your server will look professional and well organized from the beginning. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey, everyone.